Okay, so this is the third episode of the What is Truth, and today I'm going to talk about a very interesting and very controversial, especially in today's days. It's the concept of dharma, right? Now, for those who are only English speaking, they cannot comprehend it because there is no word in English for dharma. It is wrongly translated as religion. Religion is structured, it is organized, it comes from outside. Dharma comes from inside. It's not dependent on people. It's like if I tell you dharma is about not stealing. So even when there are no laws, even when nobody is watching, even when you can have like all the gold in front of you, still you won't steal. You understand? But religion is outside. Religion is like we will have a watch over you whether you are stealing or not. So the outside person is giving you marks, is evaluating you. So what is dharma? So if you understand it in the basic form, dharma is the understanding of right and wrong. You understand? Dharma is the understanding of how should we live our life to our full potential. Anything that falls in this category is dharma. Now people are, I'll take more direct examples from the present times. So people are saying, so what is this real right and wrong? I will give an example. And I think it is connected with my second episode, which was about family, right? So what is real right and wrong? If a woman is treated badly, but she is not related to you, okay? If she is related to you, you will take a very strict action. But if she is not related to you, you will just go by. Because I have more important duties, I have to create this crypto, all of this stuff, make money, become a billionaire. The same mistake Bhishma Pitama did in Mahabharata. And because it cannot be governed from outside, right? And Bhishma Pitama, he followed the structure of outside. You see, like he got so lost in the role of this grandfather, in the role of his own, value of his word, that he could not even see what is happening in front of his eyes. What you see in front of your eyes, and then the voice comes from inside. This is wrong. Not because she is my sister or she is someone I know. Not because that person is from my religion. Not because that person is from my country only. I see a bird crying for help. I see an ant crying for help. I see a human crying for help. And I see that you should do something. The perfect nature of dharma, if you want to understand, then you have to be completely unbiased in your life. Completely unbiased. You understand that? It's much deeper than you think it is. Unbiased means every woman you treat with the same value. Every person you treat with the same value. There is no distinction between an animal and a human. There is no distinction between a family and not family. There is no distinction between what is your countryman and who is not your countryman. There is no distinction between who is falls in your religion and who doesn't fall in your religion. only when you do this, then you will be able to see with the eyes of dharma, or the eyes who can see clearly, like what is right and what is wrong. Wrong is wrong. Do you understand it? If something is being done, if someone's house is being raised, it is wrong. Simple enough. I just said it. But if the house is raised, is of other community, and because it's like people are biased, right? So this is how the manipulator works. The manipulator works in the sense that I will apply these rules on you, but the same rules won't apply on me. Oh. Okay, someone came when I was scared. So I tell other people, this is what it means to be being human. But those rules don't apply on me. I can be anything. You know, I tell others, you know, God will punish you. But whatever I do, God won't punish me. Do you think like God doesn't know what they have done? Like, God knows everything, no? If there is a God, if that guy actually considers there is a God, do you think that guy doesn't know what to go inside that person's mind? How many things he has lied? He knows everything. They are just using it as a propaganda, you know? And I'm not taking any sides. Every side is using as a propaganda. Every side which cares about who is saying things instead of what is being said. What is being said can be said from any simple person. Okay? Maybe a child of 4 years says something, the ultimate truth of the world. You understand? When you start caring about, oh, Elon Musk said it, so it must be true. It will have more value than if some like nice tea seller in India said it. Then you are caught in the bias. Then you are not looking for what is being said. You are looking for who is saying it. I think it's a long enough video. I think I gave a very clear understanding of it also. I think that is it.